Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trade Academy. Victor with you here, and I'm probably giving too many updates and too many ideas, but let's just go through all our ideas. And I would like to give a major update on the Australian dollar pairs and New Zealand dollar pairs. But before we start, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. Okay, the Australian dollar finally started to move. All the ideas, Australia and New Zealand, remain valid, and this should be resulting in actually quite a nice rally beginning today. Very nice move on the Australian Swiss franc already today, especially this 4-hour candle price is moving from the time that originally idea was published, and this was at this level. So looking towards this move to test this resistance at 0.67 area. Australian Canadian dollar, also excellent idea, still valid, still expecting the move. You can see they all starting to move simultaneously, meaning the Australian dollar is driving those pairs. Euro Australian dollar also moving towards the target. What I think, guys, there will be a break below this support and we will go much lower. And we need to watch for the breakout. As soon as that occurs, we will be updating this idea for the next potential target. And yeah, I think there will be quite a nice move lower for this pair. Australian Japanese yen. Here also quite a nice rally started. You can see price spiked today down towards the point where we published the idea at this price, and the original setup was to target this level at 76.30 area, but what I think, it will be going much higher also. And the target for this idea is at 161.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which is 79.23. I have applied it to this overall corrective wave to the downside, but obviously we need also to see the break above this resistance. Moving on to the New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand is correlated to Australian dollar quite highly, and therefore also I expect this move to this resistance area. Also a valid idea, very interesting. And this was the point where when the idea was published, you can see we are above that price. Euro New Zealand dollar slowly but steadily starting to move lower, also valid. So the idea is that this range will equal to this range, the distance. And we're expecting this move starting today. Potentially the strongest move on all pairs will be tomorrow. I think it will be the moving day, because usually Wednesday is either a strong consolidation day or a strong moving day. Considering that the last week it was a consolidation day, this week it should be the moving day, and we might see all Wednesday a very strong trend. Canadian Swiss franc. What happened, guys, is the price attempted to break lower, but it still remained above. So here, if the price will get back to this level, psychological, the idea will be cancelled. So zero risk. Pound Swiss franc, there was no break and close below this support. Idea valid, but I think it's the same as Canadian Swiss franc. If the price will get to the point of the entry where idea was published, the idea will be cancelled. So both Canadian Swiss franc and Pound Swiss franc ideas will be cancelled if they will get to the point of the publishing the idea. To summarize, what I see is the Australian and New Zealand dollar getting very strong. Other pairs, I'm not that sure, and this is the reason to play it safe. We will remain on these ideas. These ideas are risk-free, and those can be also risk-free, because they went quite a lot away from the point where we actually published the idea. It seems that the time has come for those ideas, and I will update you obviously tomorrow on what has happened. And to remind you, you can find all detailed information on every single idea at forexbo.com/forex-ideas. There we published ideal entry points, stop loss levels, and take profit levels. So that's it, guys. Smash likes if you like the update, comment, ask questions, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.